money, man. Babylon beat me down, but my spirit still arise. Them think me weak, but my fire still the blazing on my eye. Every tear when me drop, turn to stone on the ground. Got my voice get up from the pain we surround them. Want see me fall, but me keep this heart steady, holding firm through the storm. Anytime them come heavy, me tired of the lies, tired of running from dread. Sometimes I feel say the world would rather see me dead, but me push on, push strong, 'cause me now go break instead. I feel like I'm better off dead when the pressure get tight, when the dark of the night try swipe my whole life. But me still standing tall, even when my soul bruised, even when the world treat me like me nah got no use. Me lift my voice low, do the pain in my head. Some days me feel low, like me better off dead. But me fight again. Tell them me nah bow down, me nah bend for no man. Even when the ride I'm slow, me still march with the band. Me lose friend, me lose love, me lose nights full of peace. And the cries from my past never seem feel released. Still me try through the flames, keep my courage intact. Even when the whole damn world try push me off track. Them judge me from afar, but them no know when me tread. Them no feel the rage burning deep in me head. Me stay firm, stay alone, me refuse to be misled. Me feel like me better off dead when the pressure squeeze tight, when my battles come back for war with me every night. But me rise again, 'cause my spirit too strong. Even when the pain is heavy and the road feel long. Them can't draw no vice, them can't chain no breath. Even when my mind run wild, close to touching death. But keep singing, keep living, though my heart feel red. Sometimes I feel low, like I'm better off dead.